a super cool function of Google. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to show you how to do it from your account. I'm in my Google account. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to come down to Translate. I'm going to click Translate. It's going to bring up this page. Check it out. You can do text. You can do images where you would just drag it in there. You can do a full document, or you could do a website just by putting the URL in here. Let's just go to text. Now what I've done is I've copy and pasted a title of one of my videos. I'm just going to go Command V on my keyboard and just pop it in there. And it shows up in English in both of these. So I've got to decide what language I want. I've been changing everything to Spanish, you see. But if you want to change it to something else, look at this. You can do anything. You want Japanese? Bam, there you go. And you're going to see this word Rask in there. So Rask is a AI that does translation, and they also do videos. And I've got a couple of videos on their site that you can go in and you can take one of your videos and translate it into whatever language you want. But right now, they don't give you that option in Google, so it's something you would end up having to pay for. They let you do 3 videos of less than a minute and less than 2 gigabytes. But right now, you can do any amount of translating of documents or images or whatever. And you can do all of these different languages. I mean, they have almost every language you can think of. Here's Zulu, and here's Afrikaans. So it's, you know, if you want to change something into French because you have some French friends and you want to send them a message, bam, there you go. And then you can just, you know, copy and paste it. Oh, look, it gives you rate this translation. That's interesting. And what's this? Copy the translation and then share the translation. So you got a couple things you can do. Turn on handwriting. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know what that, I don't think that does anything. Check this out.
How to translate a video from English to Spanish with Rask. Comment traduire une vidéo de l'anglais vers l'espagnol avec Rask.
That's in French. Let's see what it is in Spanish. Let's listen to it in Spanish.
¿Cómo traducir un video del inglés al español con Rask?
Nice, huh? So what they're telling you is it's how to translate a video from English to Spanish with Rask. Como, let's listen to it again.
¿Cómo traducir un video del inglés al español con Rask?
Wow, that's amazing, huh? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.